Chapter 4, Using the Present Progressive Part 2, Non-Action Verbs. Some verbs are not used in the present progressive tense, even when they describe a situation that is happening right now. These verbs are called non-action verbs. These verbs describe a situation that exists, not an action in progress. Some common non-action verbs: be, like, love, hate, know, need, believe, forget, want, remember, hear, see, smell, taste, feel, own, belong, prefer, cost, understand. Seem, sound, notice, appear, contain, have or own, think or believe. Non-action verbs form. Examples: I want a pen. John knows the answer. This watch belongs to me. The soup tastes delicious. How much does this coat cost? They don't remember you now. The following examples are not used in the present progressive tense. I am wanting a dictionary, which is incorrect. John is knowing the answer. This watch is belonging to me. The soup is tasting delicious. How much is the coat costing? They aren't remembering you now. Please take note of the items in green. They change the sentence, making them incorrect. Non-action verbs think. When think means believe, it is a non-action verb, and it is not used in the present progressive tense. Example: you don't look well. I think you should see a doctor. When think expresses a mental activity, it can be used in the progressive. He is thinking about a math problem. A mental activity describes what's going in my mind. Non-action verbs have. When have means own, it is a non-action verb, and it is not used in the present progressive tense. Example: I have a laptop. Another way: I own a laptop. The meaning is the same. When have doesn't express possession, it can be used in the progressive. Example: I'm having my breakfast. Non-action verbs: see, look at, and watch. See is a non-action verb. Seeing is a physical reaction, not a planned action. Example: I see many things in this room. Look at is an action verb. Looking is a planned action that happens for a reason. The action takes a short time. The example: I'm looking at the clock. I want to know the time. Watch is an action verb. It is a planned action that takes a long time. Example: he is watching a movie on his computer. Non-action verbs hear and listen to. Hear is a non-action verb. Hearing is a physical reaction, not a planned action. Example: do you hear a noise outside the window? Listen to is an action verb. Listening is a planned action that happens for a reason. We are listening to the teacher.